So check this out, guys. You can actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers for free utilizing the strategy I'm going to be revealing to you in today's video. So stick on with me as we dive right into that particular strategy. First of all, you'll want to head on to a CPA marketing platform where you could get CPA marketing offers to promote. Then you could go on to logging into your account after creating an account. Now once you've logged into your account, you want to come on to this section that says Offer Tools. Select My Offers and you'll be brought to this page. You can filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. Now I'm going to be utilizing the United States demographic right here to actually go on to promoting their exclusive offers. But any other demographic is going to work. I can actually go on to selecting the Great Britain, which is the United Kingdom. If I select that demographic, right now I can just simply filter the offers based on payout by clicking on Payout. You can see some cool sweepstake offers. Now if I do select this offer, I'll be able to see much more details about the offer. This is a €1,000 giveaway towards getting an iPhone 15 Pro Max right now for people in the United Kingdom that utilizes an Android devices. They just simply have to submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link. And if they do that, I'm going to just simply earn this amount, which is $2.22, and for every person that completes this offer, they do stand a chance of winning this cash price, which is €1,000 right now. So all you need to do is to just simply copy the link to this offer and go on to creating a landing page. Landing pages are absolutely important because they stand as is a very cool bridge between your audience and your CPA marketing offers. A good landing page can give your audience a very cool impression that will enable them complete your offers and make you earn some cool cash. Good landing pages actually help boost your conversion rate to your CPA offers. So you can utilize platforms like System.io, Linktree, GetResponse, Webflow, Sites.google.com, and a lot more cool and amazing websites for your landing page. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube that easily show you how to create a landing page. You can check them out, learn and create a befitting landing page for your offer. After watching such videos, and you've created a landing page that's linked to your offer. Next, you'll want to promote your landing page, utilizing this cool platform right here called adsthumb.com. Now this is an amazing platform you can leverage. Right here, you can actually go browse categories such as vehicles, phone, tablet, electronics, furniture, and a lot more cool categories right here available on this platform. All you need to do is just simply come right here, click on ADD listing. And if you select that right there, you can actually go on to selecting a country. Right now, as you can see, there are various countries that you can actually leverage. I'm going to select the United Kingdom right now. If I do select that demographic, it's going to load up and I can just simply click on ADD listing. So now guys, you actually need to simply create an account. I've created one and I'll just simply log into the account right now. You want to just simply click on ADD listing one more time. If you do click on that, guys, it's actually going to bring you to this page where you just simply need to fill in these details. Provide a category to the offer which you intend on promoting. As you can see right now, I'm just going to select phone and tablet right here, or maybe a cool category that fits the offer. You can select one of the categories right here. Either it's used phone, accessories for mobile phones and tablet, smartwatches and tablets, and smartphones. You want to select the category that actually fits right now. If I do select this right now, I can actually select the type right now. Whether you want a private ad or a professional ad. I'm going to select the private individual. You want to give this a very cool title. Maybe you could just simply head back to CPA Grip, copy this exact same ad title and head back to the ad platform. Paste that in right here. You also need to go on to giving a simple and detailed description of that particular ad. The description needs to be quite attractive to drive a lot of people's attention to that. Also make sure, guys, that in the description, you add something like a call to action, directing viewers to your CPA offer. So if I do put in something like click here, after typing that or directing viewers to the CPA offer, you want to just simply highlight the call to action. Click on the chain icon, and that's where you're just simply going to insert the link to your CPA marketing offer or the link to your landing page. Once you do that, click on Save. Once somebody clicks on the call to action, it's automatically going to take them to your CPA offer or your landing page. You can then go on to inserting your mobile model, mobile brand, and pricing right here. As you can see, you could just simply go on to inserting a very cool price. I'm gonna type in 0 to offer the item as a donation. You can actually go on, selecting this non-negotiable. You can just simply select a city in the United States you want to target. And you can see you need to enter at least 2 characters, add some cool tags, and you can just simply go on to checking out much more details of the seller information. Then go on to posting your ad for free by clicking on Next. So you can see that from the next section you just simply need to insert a photo. Next is actually the payment method, and next is to actually finish your ad right here. So it's a step-by-step strategy that you just need to follow appropriately and get your ad posted for free. So why not just simply try out this strategy right now to start getting a lot of cool traffic to your CPA offers and make money online. I do hope the video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.